Welcome to Vibrational Gut Healing Garden Ritual, channeled by Aurelya Seraphina, a guided meditation for cellular gut regeneration, ancestral restoration, and past life harmony. Begin with breath and body awareness. Close your eyes. Place both hands over your lower belly. Feel the warmth and weight of your palms. Begin to breathe slowly into your hands as if your breath is watering the soil within. With each breath in, invite in clarity and calm. With each breath out, release any tension in the jaw, the intestines, the womb, the hips. Let your body soften. Let yourself be fully held by this moment. Entering the inner garden. Now begin to visualize your gut as a sacred garden. Not just physical organs, but a living temple of roots, vines, glowing flora, and crystalline water. This garden lives inside your abdomen, extending from your esophagus to your colon, from your solar plexus to your pelvic floor. You step barefoot into this inner world. The ground is warm and rich beneath your feet. Fireflies of bioluminescent gut flora dance in the air, microbes of love, joy, and protection. You look around and notice where the garden needs your love. Some areas may feel dark, dry, infected, overgrown, or abandoned. It's all okay. You are here now to reclaim, restore, and rewild this place. Let the cellular restoration begin. Now gently kneel. Place your hands in the soil of your inner garden. And as you do, visualize your cells, trillions of them, awakening. You see the lining of your intestines, a vast riverbank of villi and mucous membranes. Imagine these tiny finger-like projections reaching up like coral, bathed in golden sunlight. Now you see your intestinal lining being gently sealed with golden threads of collagen and love. Inflammation shrinking as cool light flows over swollen tissues. Parasites dissolving into light and transmuted into neutral energy, composted by the earth. Your microbiome repopulating with rainbow microbes, lactobacillus, and soil-based allies, dancing joyfully as they rebuild balance. Each cell of your gut lights up like a tiny lantern, glowing with remembrance, calling in the ancestors. Now call upon your ancestral healers. You may feel grandmothers in long skirts with herb pouches, grandfathers with hands stained from earth and root medicine, even ancient star beings who tended cosmic gardens in Lemuria, Sirius, and beyond. Ancestors of my body and blood, I welcome your healing presence. I now release the pain, scarcity, illness, and trauma held in this gut across timelines and lifetimes. With your help, I compost the old and plant the new. Feel their hands on your back, shoulders, and belly. They sing softly in a tongue you've almost forgotten. but your cells remember. Their breath becomes wind, their tears become rain, their songs become soil, all feeding your garden's renewal. The temple within the garden. You now approach a small crystalline temple in the center of your inner garden. Inside is a pool of light-infused water. This is pure source memory, a vibrational elixir from your original blueprint. Step inside. Place your hands in the pool. Now gently drink. As you do, feel this liquid light moving into your esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and colon, spiraling and illuminating each part of your digestive system. Visualize the water carrying cellular codes of absorption, digestion, and elimination. Frequencies of integrity, vitality, joy, and deep peace. Messages of, I am safe to digest life. Let the water sing through you. I clear, I restore, I regenerate. Past life healing and DNA activation. Now, behind you, a version of your past life self appears. A healer, an herbalist, temple priestess, and nature scribe. This self carries the memory of a fully healed gut, a nourished body, an activated blueprint. She places a hand over your navel. You feel the DNA within your cells begin to light up like stars. Junk DNA becomes sacred instruction. Trauma coding unravels into freedom. Your gut becomes a harmonic temple of remembrance. Breathe into this as the light grid of your body realigns. Crystalline, flowing, interconnected. Spoken activation. Repeat aloud or within. I call back my cellular harmony. I restore the soil of my gut, the wisdom of my flora, and the rhythm of my digestion. I release all parasitic patterns, physical, energetic, ancestral. My body knows how to heal. I am sovereign. I am the garden and the gardener. Let this mantra ripple through your entire being. Completion and integration. See your gut glowing with soft rainbow light, a biodiverse ecosystem in balance. Each cell humming like a choir, your nervous system purring like a cat. Offer deep thanks to your ancestors, past life, self, and elemental guides. Begin to slowly return. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Press your belly and heart with your palms. When you are ready, open your eyes and take a sip of water or herbal tea. You may wish to journal your insights or draw your inner garden. You have healed in ways seen and unseen. Your gut is listening. Your inner earth is growing. And remember, you are the medicine, and your garden is already blooming.